What happens when a Ferrari 488 Pista Spider meets a McLaren 750 Spider on the drag strip? Two stunning machines, both born from racing heritage, facing each other in a battle that defines what modern performance truly means. The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is a masterpiece of Italian engineering powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine tuned to perfection, pushing out an incredible 920 horsepower and 870 Newton-meters of torque. This isn't a standard Pista, it's been upgraded with precision-enhanced turbos, new downpipes, and a custom ECU tune worth £17,000 that transforms its character completely. That power flows to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission equipped with launch control, giving the car razor-sharp responsiveness and blistering acceleration. Weighing just 1,485 kilograms, this lightweight monster blends agility with aggression, wearing a price tag of £400,000, and every pound feels justified once it screams down the strip. On the other side stands the McLaren 750 Spider, the latest evolution of British performance, featuring a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 750 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. It channels its fury through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox and rear-wheel drive setup, tipping the scales at 1,438 kilograms and starting at 277,000 pounds. The McLaren's advantage lies in its balance, incredible stability, aerodynamic efficiency, and precision, handling that turn raw numbers into a dance of speed and control. The engines ignite, the air trembles, and the launch countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, and they're off. The Ferrari explodes with ferocity, tires gripping and spinning as the twin turbos spool into life, but the McLaren surges ahead with perfect traction and seamless power delivery. The crowd gasps as the 750s crosses the line first, completing the standing quarter mile in just 10.4 seconds, with the Ferrari following close behind at 10.8, a narrow gap caused by its stubborn launch control refusing to engage. Yet, this race is far from over. In the rolling start from 50 miles per hour, both supercars unleash their mid-range fury. The McLaren holds its lead through relentless precision, while the Ferrari claws back with raw top and aggression, showing flashes of its tuned power deep in the rev range. The result? A near-dead heat, to philosophies of performance colliding in perfect harmony. Then comes the brake test from 150 kilometers per hour, where the McLaren's lighter frame and adaptive braking system give it the edge again, stopping just ahead of the Ferrari's powerful carbon ceramic brakes. Both cars showcase what decades of engineering obsession can achieve, one with the emotion and art of Maranello, the other with the cold, calculated brilliance of walking. This wasn't just a drag race, it was a symphony of speed, power, and control to legends speaking the language of velocity. The Ferrari roars like a beast untamed, while the McLaren glides like a precision missile, both rewriting what supercar truly means. And as the engines cool and the dust settles, one thing is clear: there are no losers here, only masterpieces chasing perfection. So, which would you take home, the fire-breathing Ferrari or the razor-sharp McLaren? Tell me in the comments, because this is Motor Vista 02, giving you drag race comparison of different cars and new cars reviews. Thanks for watching.